Hello everyone, my name is Rohit. I am an Android developer here at Paraguide, and today we are going to do a video tutorial on list view with holder pattern. So this is what we are going to create. We are going to create a simple list. This is the general list which you might have seen in many chatting applications or in your contact list, and so it list has one image with the image of the fruit, name of the fruit, and the price of the fruit. So and we are going to use a holder pattern. So what is the purpose of holder pattern is if you don't use the holder pattern, it creates a lag in the scrolling. Okay, so what list view does is populate each list item every time you scroll, but what holder pattern does is it returns the already created list item every time. If it is created, then it doesn't create it every time. It returns the already created list item. So let's get started. So this is Android Studio, and this is the Android Studio project here we are looking at, and there is some groundwork I have already done. So I have pasted the images in the drawable folder. I have layout files in the layout folder, and so let's look at the layout files. So this is a layout for my main activity, the first activity which is going to be launched, which has one list view with the ID activity main list view. Okay, so this is how it is going to look, and the another layout is the list item. Okay, so which has one image view, one text view for name, and another text view for the price. So this is the another layout file, and now we are going to and this is our main activity. Okay, so and some another groundwork you need to do is you need to create a class, a fruit class. Okay, so which has name, price, and image. Okay, so I have added setter and getter methods for this class and a constructor. Okay, and so let's get started with the code. So first thing we are going to do is create this get reference to this list view in a Java file, that is main activity. So list view equal to, we are going to cast it to the list view, and find view by id dot id dot activity main list view. Here we go. So we have a list view, and next thing we want to do is create a list, populate the list. So I have already declared a list over here, so I am going to populate it now. List equal to new array list, and I have already I may just copy paste it. So I have added total 7 fruits to the list: fruit name, price of the fruit, and a drawable resource file, okay, which is an integer. So list is completed. Okay, so the next main thing is you have a list, you have a list view, but you have to connect the list view to the list. So here comes adapter in the picture. So I have created one folder, that is adapter folder, and inside I have a fruit adapter. So here actually the list view is populated. So So let's get started with this fruit adapter. So you have to extend it with the base adapter, and now it shows a red line because it tells us to override the methods of the base adapter class. You can do it by the shortcut Alt Enter and implement methods. Okay, so these are the methods we want to override, so we are overriding it now. Okay, so you can see the red line is gone, and we have to create a constructor for fruit adapter, okay, which can accept a context of the activity and the list view and the list. Okay, so the two parameters I may declare here: private context and private list, so array list fruit, that is list. Okay, so now I'm going to create a constructor. You can directly add constructor by generate constructor. So these are the two parameters I need to generate. So here is a constructor. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is utilize these methods. So you need to understand the purpose of each method. The first method is getCount method. So this getCount method returns actually the total number of list items present in the list. So you may return list.size. Okay, so and another is getItem, the actual item you want to return. So here it is the fruit, so we will be returning list dot get. Here you have index, so index will remain the same, list dot get I. So here you are returning the particular fruit. Okay, and next is get item ID. Here you may or may not return. You can return the same value which is passed. Okay, so this is the main method, getView method. So let's get to the getView method. So we have to create we are doing this with holder pattern, so we have to create another inner class for a ViewHolder. So the private class ViewHolder. Okay, sorry. So which is so what ViewHolder actually has. ViewHolder has the views which are going to be in there in the list item. Okay, so I'm just going to use public access specifier, public image view, image, public text view, that is name, and public text view, that is so let's make it fruit name. Okay, fruit name, and next text view is price. So this is the ViewHolder class. So inside the getView method we are going to create object of ViewHolder class. So ViewHolder holder. So we have just declared it, and next thing we are going to do is to check whether this view we are getting in the getView method is null or not. So this is the view which is going to get populated in the list view. So let's do that. If view equal to null, if view is null, we have to inflate the new view. Okay, so so here we can create object of the holder class. So holder equal to new ViewHolder. Okay, so and we also need a layout inflator. So layout inflator equal to the context which we have just got from the constructor. We are going to use that. So context dot get system service, and layout inflator service. Okay, so here it again shows the red line, so you have to cast this to layout inflator. So again Alt enter and cast to layout inflator. So red line is gone. Next thing is, now we are going to inflate the actual view. So inflator dot inflate the list item I just shown you. So the list item actually holds the image view, text view, and the text view for price. So here are the IDs for 3 of them, and so we are going to inflate this layout. Okay, so we are going to specify the layout resource file. So r dot layout dot item list view, and the second argument is the view group. You may also provide null, it doesn't matter. So we have inflated, so this inflate method returns the inflated view. So we are going to assign this inflated view to the our view which is currently null. Okay, so next thing we want to do is utilize this ViewHolder class now. So here ViewHolder class comes into picture. So so ViewHolder dot holder dot image equal to, so it is an image view. So view dot find view by id, r dot id dot so here we have image. Next is holder dot fruit name equal to the text view, view dot find view by id, r dot id dot the name of the fruit, that is fruit name, holder dot price equal to text view again, view dot find view by id, r dot id dot, here it is the price. Okay, so we have assigned the UI parameters to the ViewHolder class. So next thing we want to do is add tag to this ViewHolder. So to identify this ViewHolder class, this particular view. So we are going to set this tag for this view dot set by set tag method. So the tag is going to be holder. Okay, so this is the case if view is equal to null. If it is not equal to null, what we are going to do is holder equal to view dot get tag. And here it shows the red line again, so we may have to cast it to the ViewHolder class. Okay, so the red line is gone. So the next thing we are going to do is populate these UI components with the corresponding items in the list. So here we go, holder dot image dot set image resource, and list. We are going to assign image to this image view. So list dot get item, sorry, list dot get I is the position of the list item, and dot get image. So here we have set the drawable resource file to the image view in the holder pattern. Okay, so the next thing is holder dot fruit name dot set text list dot get I dot get name, and next is holder dot price dot set text list dot get I get price. So now we have assigned the list components in the list items to the particular views in our holder pattern. Here we are returning null, but here actually this getView method returns view. So the same view which we have got, we have populated that list view, and now we are going to return the same view from this method. So here is our adapter. This is ready now. So what what holder pattern actually does here is instead of creating view every time, it creates the set of view, and if it is already there, it returns it by tag instead of creating it every time. So it prevents our list view from lagging while scrolling. So now we have our adapter ready. So let's get to our main activity. So in the main activity, what we are going to do is we are going to assign the adapter to this list view. So list view dot set adapter, new fruit adapter. So, and the parameters for fruit adapter are context, which is this, that is context of main activity, and the list which we have already created, so the list. So we have assigned the adapter, and next thing we are going to do is create an item click event. So we are going to add on item click listener, set on item click listener to this list view. So here we have overridden method, and what we are going to do is just toast the method, just toast the name of the fruit with the price in the toast. Okay, so dot main text main activity dot this. Here we can't use only this because we are inside the on item click listener. We have to provide context of the main activity, so that's why main activity dot this. Okay, so second argument is the text. So the text is going to be list dot get I is again the position. Okay, dot get name. Okay, plus list dot get I dot get price. So this is the text. We may have to add some space in between. Okay, so here it is, the space between the price and the name. And the third argument is the length of the time for which we are going to start length of the time. So length dot short, and next thing we are going to do is show. Excuse me. Show the toast. Okay, so we have the toast now. So considering we have everything ready, we have the adapter ready, we have the main activity ready. Let's run this. So this is my emulator. So you can see at the bottom the project is building. It may take some time when you are building the project for the first time. Here we go. So Gradle build is finished. Now we are installing the APK. Okay, so here we have our emulator, and when you click on it, it displays name of the fruit with price. As you can see, we can update our list view without any lag. So this was our tutorial for list view with holder pattern, and please like, comment and subscribe to our Paraguide YouTube channel. So thank you very much. So bye bye.